Hello, I'm going to show you how to use the Greek square cipher, and we're going to start off just by having some rows and some columns, and we're going to have it numbered 1 through 5 and 1 through 5. And as we start to think about our secret message, we are going to be replacing the letters with the location that they're in. So for example, if I wanted to find the letter M would equal the row that it's in, so it's in row 3, and the column that it's in, which would be column 2, and where they meet would be M. And so we would show that by having 3 where that is, and then 2. And it does make a longer message because you're going to have, 2 digits versus that one letter, but it can be really useful if you're trying to pass a secret message. So I'm going to go ahead and just practice with you guys writing the word yes. And so let's go ahead and practice that. So we can look, we found the Y in there, and so we're going to start with our row, so that would be 5, 4, we want to have E, so I guess I'll just put, we want to have the E, which would be the first row and the 5th column, and then S would be 4th and 3rd. So YES would be 54, 15, 43. And you can see how if you wouldn't want to have a really long message, but pretty cool. So let's go ahead. I'm going to give you a secret code, and I want you to try to figure it out. Okay, so here we go. Let me scoot this up just a little bit. I'm going to use a different colored pen so that you can see it a little easier. And here we go. And if you wanted to, you could of course squish those letters together so that you wouldn't be helping out the person to figure out which code. In a previous video I did a code, I'll bring it back just so you guys can see it, the book code, where you could just have that solid text, and so you could see if you squish these together you could also just have that solid text in there. That would make it that much more difficult for someone to go ahead and solve it. Alright, so pause the video here if you want to crack this code, and and then just hit play whenever you're ready. I'm going to go ahead and crack this one. So we're going to start by looking to figure out this one, and so we go to the 3rd row, second one over, M, 11, so that's going to be the first one, looking for 44, so 4 and 4, oh, I should have written that T down there, so it's M, A, T. Then we're looking for 42, so 4, 2, 24, and it could be an I or a J, so we're going to put that to try to see which one of those it would be. And then 53, 5, 3, and I know the word matrix is going to need I. And so that can be a little tricky where you're trying to figure out which one it is, but our solution would be matrix. Alright, let's do another practice because I know that word might have thrown you a little bit off. So let's try another one. I'm going to go ahead and scoot this down, and I'm going to write it, my secret code above, right here on the side. Okay? And that's the first word. I'm going to put the second word down here. Okay, and so if you want to solve that, go ahead and pause the video. I'm going to go through how you could figure that out and what the answer is right now. So I'm going to use a different color just so it shows up a little better. But if we look here, we've got 22. So I'm going to go 2, 2. So G is our first letter. 42, 4, 2, R. 15, 1, 5. 11, 1, 1. 44. So great. 52, 5, 2. 34. Oh, you probably already know what it is. 42, 4, 2. WOR 25, 2, 5. Okay, so great work, you guys. I'm so proud of you. I hope you enjoyed this Greek square cipher, and I can't wait to see what you create. Bye.